28 gauge wire, pen or pencil, flush cutter, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and a hard hammer is needed. Pick up a piece of paper, put your hand, and draw the outline of the finger that you are going to make the ring for, or you could simply know about the width and the size all around the finger. Well, let's draw the design first. That would be a moon. We have a weave-in part on both sides. For the length we desire to cut on the wire, it's 1 round all around the finger and 1 round approximately for the design and half for the weave-in parts. And to make sure, I use 3 times of my ring size. So pick up a paper tape, wrap it all around your finger, spread it out, and we need 2.5 to 3 times of this distance and to cut it out on our 20 gauge wire. Then we leave about half of this length from one side of this wire and then pick up a cylindrical shape with about 5 or 6 millimeters in diameter and then put it on the wire and start wrapping it all around for a half round, just like a U shape. Then this would be the inside part of our beautiful moon with chain nose pliers on both sides, and at the midpoint start to make a complete bend. We repeat that on both sides, above and bottom. Place chain nose pliers on the point you want and bend this wire totally. And that would be the inner part of the moon. And to shape it better, we need to squeeze these 2 bent parts completely and squeeze it with chain nose pliers. And of course on both sides. So I repeat that for 2 of these bent parts and squeeze them to be attached tight. Okay, then we need to make the outer part of the moon. Just keep one of the edges and wrap the other tail all around to be just like a half circle. Then at the point that they meet each other, place your chain nose pliers and make 90-degree bend on both wires. Then we are going to wrap the shorter tail all around the longer one. So I wrap it all around and I pay attention not to lose the shape of the moon. Then with chain nose pliers, squeeze this tie and about 1 or a 1.5 round is enough. Then cut the extra part out and squeeze it well. It's our very beautiful moon. I'm going to hammer it a little. So with the hard hammer, I would make a flattened surface and effect on the little moon. And this will be something like this. You could continue doing that as you desire. Okay, it's the time to put it on the ring mandrel, and at the point we determined as the ring size. If there is any unwanted bends on the wire, don't be worried. You could correct it easily. So I put it on the point and wrap it all around. The other tail of the wire is going to meet the center point of this moon, and I'm going to make another weave-in part at that point too. And that's it. our very cute and small moon wire ring. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial. Make one for yourself or to sell.